Hi guys, I'm Asif Ali and you're watching CGHOW video, and today I've created this basic effect which spawns when this character just tapping on this red aim on a red platform, or you can say. So when it comes here, this effect is spawning. When it got away, effect is stopping. So I will create this from scratch, from starting. So let's start this video. So I have this empty project UE4 4.27, and I will add a third person template in this. And now we have this third person template, and this is our map. And I'll just remove these for now, and this text also, and this thing also. And let's just quickly bake the light, so this shadow will go. And okay, let it complete. Okay, so now if I play, I have this ground. And okay, here I will create a folder fx and right click material m ring 1. Okay, so I need a ring. How to create the ring? So I'll take a radial exponent and I'll take vector to radial and connect this to your UV